guys! Happy Pizza Friday! I'm Miss Katherine.
I'm Miss Kaley.
We're gonna make some pizzas today. So, the first step is to preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Now we gotta make sure to wash our hands. Okay. Here's what you will need.
Measuring cups,
A spoon for mixing,
cooking spray,
a bowl,
tin foil,
a sheet tray.
2 cups of water,
Oh wait, do this first. Because then it's like all things going in.
vegetable oil, salt, baking soda, and a bag of flour.
And for the toppings, you will need tomato sauce, cheese, and pepperoni or any other toppings you like. Okay, let's start.
First, you're going to need 5 cups of flour.
1. A little more in those cups.
2,
Yeah, that's better.
3, 4.
Now a little less, maybe.
And I was making up for the first 2. 5.
5. Okay. Next, we need 2 teaspoons of salt. 1, 2. Okay. Then let's do 5.5 teaspoons of baking soda.
Yes.
5.5 teaspoons baking soda. Okay. 1, 2,
3,
4,
5.
5,
Don't mind me.
and a half.
No, that was the 5.
5
And
a half. Okay.
Next, we will need
Next.
2 tablespoons of oil.
Okay. One,
2.
all right.
Finally, 1.5 to 2 cups of water.
Start with 1.5, and you can add more if your dough is too dry. Okay, we'll start. And now we're just gonna mix it up. So first, get your piece of tin foil down on your tray and give it a spray with some cooking spray. Okay. So get some flour in your hands and then get your ball of dough and make it really flat. Once the dough is nice and flat, you can start adding your sauce. Add your sauce, you can add your cheese. Next, add whatever toppings you want. Miss Kaley's favorite is pepperoni.
All right, now it's ready to go in the oven.
All right, after about 10 minutes, take your pizza out of the oven. When it looks like that, plate up your pizza. Have our CIT Riley give us a taste test. It's really good.
Thanks for watching our pizza video. Hope you enjoy your pizza.
Have a safe summer. Bye.